So in this lesson we will learn all about dynamic routes. So first let's run the project. When the project is ready, we will go to the browser. In this lesson we will add 4 more routes, and the first one will be /products, which doesn't exist yet. Well, this route will be used for showing all the products, and the next route will be for showing a specific product like product/2, and this is dynamic product ID. And the next one will be showing all the photos of the product, so product/product ID/photos. And the last one will be for showing a specific photo of a specific product like /product/product ID/photos/photo ID. So this one. So let's go and create these 4 routes. Inside the app folder we will create a folder for products, so products, and then in the products folder we will add the page file, so page.tsx, and let's generate the code RAFCE, and let's name this product space, okay, and let's change the text to this will be used for all product list, and save this and try to navigate /products, and you can see this page is ready. There's no problem, it is static. So let's create /id, so for a specific product, and for that we have to create a special folder with square bracket, and inside square bracket you can name the parameter, the dynamic part of the route, so I will name it id. So, and inside the folder let's create the file page.tsx. so this will be the page for the product detail. So let's add the markup, and we can name this page product detail page, and we can edit the markup. This will be used for specific product detail, and let's save this and go to browser and try to use the URL product/2, and you can see that this route has also been created. Now if you want to extract the product ID, how do you do that? So for that we have to use props. So let's define the props interface. You can name this anything, but I will name this props, and here you have to use a special word, that is params, and it will be object which will have the ID, this ID parameter, and it will be a number. So here we will also receive the props, so we can restructure this params, which will be type of props, and we can even destructure it like ID. So we can output this ID here like ID equal ID, and let's save this and go to the browser. Now if we put 3 here, we can see the ID of the page. So ID of the product. So now let's create the route for showing all the photos of the specific product. So let's add another folder here call this photos, and let's add the paste file inside the photos folder and generate the markup. So what should we call? We can call this photo or photos page, and here we'll say this will be used to show all photos of a specific product, and save this. Now if we go and browse for /products /product id /photos, you can see that this route and our newly created page is there. So this page will be used for showing all the photos of the product which has id 3. And now for the last route, let's add another folder inside photos. So let's call this photo id. We can't call this id, this has already been declared under the products. So let's call this photo id. Let's generate the markup. Let's call this photo detail page, and let's edit this. This will be used for showing specific photo of a specific product. And let's save this and go to browser and try to use this route. So this is the page. Now we will grab the two params. So let's set the interface here, and here we will have id, which will be a number, and we will also have photo id, which will also be a number. Now let's output that, and then output the product id and photo id. So product id will be this id, and photo id will be photo id. We didn't added this props, so let's add this. So params, there will be id and photo id, which will be type of props. Now let's save this and go to browser. Now if we change the URL and enter, you can see our dynamic product id and photo id. This is how you can read the dynamic route params, and you can pass that in the inner components from a page component. So that's it for this lesson.